Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Let's get going.
To the Insta360 Ace, I'm pointing to a budget mic, and this budget mic is pretty good. Let me get my hands off the mic first. I got an Allen key. I gotta adjust my mirror, and I'll tell you. Side view mirror fits the handlebar of the Canadale Adventure 2, and it uses the washer inside that grids, and it's made of aluminum with pores. It has an adjustment down over here, and on the top gimbal, and you can fold it. Make it tight enough that you can fold it and stays in place. Now, it's a nice size mirror. I just cannot remember all these names. Ramshaw, Gadshaw, Broadshaw. I'll put it down in the description and in the title. On the bumpy road, which I'm on right now, you can see how nicely it's holding up. We got some guys that are taking photos and videos. We have the sun coming up. But before I do, I want to talk about the Insta360.
Starts recording. Off you go. I got a green light. I want to watch out for the truck as it comes by. I wasn't fast enough to get the shot in. Sometimes you gotta miss those shots. And this is 360. Now I have to go back and edit 360 into the thing. But this is the wind. Face into the wind. The back of the camera is the front. I'm looking at the screen, which is the front of the camera. I don't have to turn around like this. I can sit like this and get my shot.